called Elena. But I will be performing a song that I wrote called Little Bird, and I will be accompanied by my dad. He will be playing the piano. Fly, little bird, fly, I see you out there. Fly, little bird, fly, I know you can. The leaves are falling so slow, but you move so fast. Mommy bird is getting worms for you, and daddy bird is in the nest. So it's your job, little bird, to be the happy one. So hurry on back to the rest. Fly, little bird, fly, you're flying so fast. Fly, little bird, fly, you're so, so strong. Yeah, fly, little bird, fly, 'cause I know you're feeling better.